guys, I'll be showing you how to play 7 over 8 time signature. You know your 7 over 8 is simply your 8 notes, 7 of 8 notes in a bar. So what you should do is that you are counting 7. You will start again and count 7. Something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 over 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Continuously. Just listen to it. Basic 7 over 8 time signature. So in case you are hearing of 7 over 8, this is how to play 7 over 8. There are most songs that we hear waltz in 7 8. This is how to play the 7 over 8 time signature. So let me show you how to do the bass. While you are doing your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What you should play with your bass and your snare is just, because you have to fit in a beat to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's now. This is your. So I'm going to merge together. Also add your if you are doing separation.